Hello everyone. The double bond in ethene is C2H4, which has the molecular formula of C2H4. So we have 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Let's check the atoms together. So here's 4 atoms of hydrogen. Each hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its outer shell, and the 2 atoms of carbon has 4 electrons in their outer shell. The 4 electrons of carbon will be shared with the electrons of hydrogen. So we can obtain pairs of electrons. Both hydrogen and carbon needs electrons, but neither of them are strong enough to take electrons from each other. So they must share their electrons, and consequently, the bond between carbon and hydrogen becomes stronger. So here the hydrogen atom will share its electron with the electron of the carbon, and same goes for the rest. However, we are left with unpaired electrons and no more hydrogen atoms, so the 2 carbon atoms must bond together. So as you will see now, these 2 electrons right here will form a bond, and the other 2 electrons will form a bond as well. So now we obtained a double covalent bond. So let's see the final result. So each carbon atom took 2 hydrogen atoms and formed a covalent bond with it. Also, the 2 carbon atoms formed a double bond. So, as you can see here, we have carbon double bond carbon. These 2 pairs over here are the double bond. And each carbon formed a covalent bond with 2 hydrogens. So that's the final structural formula. And that's how ethene molecule forms a double covalent bond. Thanks for watching.